Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi guys, today's episode is going to be super practical.
Yes, because we're talking about something you use every single day.
Your daily routine.
Rahul, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I try to start my day early.
Nice. What's the first thing you do?
First, I brush my teeth and drink a glass of water.
Very healthy. I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m.
Oh, a bit later.
Yes, then I check my phone, which is a bad habit.
Let's pause here. Listeners, notice the phrases, I usually wake up at. First, I brush my teeth. Then I.
These are perfect structures to describe routines.
Rahul, what do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I start my work around 9 a.m.
Do you work continuously?
No, I take short breaks.
Good. I often work until lunchtime.
And what time is your lunch?
I usually have lunch at 1:30 p.m.
Did you hear those words? Usually, often.
You can also use sometimes, rarely, always.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I like to relax or go for a walk.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I usually watch something or read a book.
Productive evening.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn.
Answer these questions aloud. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the evening?
Speak out loud. That's how fluency improves.
And that's it for today's episode.
Now you can confidently talk about your daily routine in English.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next episode.